Whoa, 109 today. Ooh. That was extremely hot and extremely sunny. We've been out here working on the KLX 250. We have the swing arm and linkage together. Figured that out all on my own. Can you believe it? Wow. I did go to engineering school. Not graduated. Oh, I couldn't stand them people. Crazy. Sitting around in desk all day long. I wanted to be outside doing this. Okay. Stop having too much fun. We had to figure out how our linkage went. Of course, it's pretty self-explanatory when the bolts will only go through a certain size hole, and that's it, you know. So this is such a clean motorcycle. Here are my other parts here. That's the rear axle. Those are the foot pegs. Here's the chain guide. So next we'll get the rear shock up here and mount it. It goes right up here onto the top of this bell crank right there. There we go, right there. That's where it'll go. Right in there. Where this bell crank is. Yep, right there. That's where the shock will mount to that. There'll be a prong on both sides that'll go down on each side with a hole in it. Put a bolt through it. Same thing up here. Just a little different. So that'll get the suspension hanging. And we've got the rear master cylinder and caliper and everything over here. I think the brake lever pedal is in this box somewhere. So we're moving right along here. We'll get this thing put back together. We got new plastics for it. Get it all cleaned up and see what it looks like. I'm getting excited. Oh, this thing right here is just cantankerous. It's a wiring issue. There's a short somewhere in the wiring, and I just hadn't had time to fool with it, quite honestly. What needs to happen is every connection, every plug, every fuse, every relay needs to be pulled out, inspected for any kind of corrosion or anything, and then maybe put some dielectric grease back in there when you put it back together, making sure you got a good solid connection on all the wiring. So that's probably what needs to happen next, which will take a minute. But we can still keep going on this thing right here. It's hot. We're going to take a break. Look at that. 109. Never a dull moment at Q's Garage.